कर रहा मैं अच्छे से, मेरे रिक्शे चले।
Hello.
हेलो, दुआ कर रहा मैं अच्छे से, मेरे रिक्शे चले।
Any English?
इंग्लिश नहीं हूँ कोई, इंग्लिश नहीं। हेलमेट।
Where we go? Take a round.
Ron. 100, 200.
200. How far? 200. How long? How many minutes? Okay. Can we come back here? Okay. Let's go. Okay.
कहाँ घुराएंगे साला उसको, मेरे स्कूल ले जाने या हमको ले जाए, बैठो जाना बे, ऐसे घुरा के लेके 250 रुपये देगा जा।
Him or you?
ओए
Him?
जा।
I go with him?
Come here, John.
अरे कहाँ जो?
अबे जाने बाजार से घुरा के ले जाना, लौड़ा बैठा जा।
200?
हाँ 200 बोल दिया।
Him or who I go with? You or him?
ये जाना बे, हमारा स्कूल है बे, जा जा। अबे बाजार से घुरा के ले जाएगा, उसको कहाँ मालूम, मुझे बोल रहा घूरने का पैसा लेगा, नॉन घुरा के लेके चले आएगा। जा बोल, सिट ऑन।
Him?
हाँ वही
200.
हाँ 200 बोल दिया।
Okay.
ओके
Okay.
बाजार से घुरा के लेके चले आएगा, वही
We go.
ज़्यादा दूर मत लेके जाएगा बाजार से।
Okay. Yeah. It's hot, but this is the best way to see things, I think. But it's a warm day, as you can see. Had a nice rain this morning, but cool things down for a bit. But this time of day, we're back in the heat. Oh, I see some activity up here. I don't know if this is a cow or a goat, but surely ought to go. We got a little speed bump going on there. So they charge 200 for this, which is about $2.40. Makes me actually feel guilty that he's doing all the work and I'm just riding along. But this is interesting. Actually, Kolkata is really interesting. So that noise is this guy's horn. And one thing I've noticed about Kolkata is the taxis, the rickshaws, they love their horns. I'm the only foreigner here. I haven't seen any other foreigners. So whenever you see that bump, it means we went over a speed bump. There's a speed bump. another speed bump. I gotta tell you, I'm loving this. All these goats in the street. You know, it's not just tourists who take these. In fact, most of the people I see on these rickshaws are Indian people. I haven't seen any other foreigners. I'm the only one. I haven't met anything other than super friendly people. I mean, everyone is so kind and so friendly here. Whatever you say. Bouncing about, but hopefully the camera is stabilizing this so that you can watch this without feeling dizzy, because the road is bumpy. You won't get bored here, that's for sure. Bump, bump. Oh, this guy's working hard.
अल्लाह के नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि
Bump. So I caught this rickshaw right off Park Street. Just 3 or 4 minutes from my host family. I'm staying at a homestay, which is the best way to do this. There's a couple cows. It's amazing to see cows and goats right in the street here. You work hard. Ah, whatever you say. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know where we're going, what we're doing. Apparently he doesn't speak English, and of course I don't speak Bengalese, so I'm just going with the flow. But I love this. Okay. Okay. We all done? Okay. 1 second.